looking thin and being fit are not the same thing. Sustainable weight loss is defined as something which is 5 to 10% of your body weight per year. गिनती में हमने जीना छोड़ दिया है, वो मेजर करो जो कि मायने रखता है आपके सेहत के लिए. Done is that instead of eating गाजर हलवा week, कोलाज मत पियो. Then I want to be 95 tomorrow. And that's where we make all the mistakes about how smooth our periods are. That we are narrow-minded, not more than once every 3 months. आजकल हम लोग obsess हो गए हैं with tracking everything. दुखी है लोग, तो that's not going to work.
When it comes to weight loss.
I think you're getting it wrong.
Hello everyone, welcome to Fit Talk. Today we are joined by a very special guest with us, Rujita Divekar, a celebrity nutritionist who believes in simple and healthy eating. She is here to talk about food, fitness and easy ways to stay healthy. Hi Rujita, welcome to the show.
Thank you very much.
How are you feeling today?
Very good. What about you?
Very good. Amazing.
Yeah. Nice.
So ma'am, since you are a nutritionist, so I just want to understand what is the definition of healthy weight loss?
Healthy weight loss is weight loss that is sustainable. Weight loss where once you lose the weight, it is not coming back, So, sustainable weight loss is defined as something which is 5 to 10% of your body weight per year. So, if you started at 100 kilos today, then at the end of the year, which is in like May 2026, you should be somewhere between a 90 or a 95 kilo person. But I think most of us are like, if I'm 100 kilos today, then I want to be 95 tomorrow. And that's where where we make all the mistakes because we begin to do extreme things. But healthy is next year you're 90, a year after that you're 80, and you're knocking it off in a way that is easy, that is sustainable, and that is sensible.
Yeah, and people go to extreme extents when it comes to weight loss. They would do crazy things, but they would still not get the desired results.
Correct.
So what do you think is the biggest mistake people make when it comes to weight loss?
That they check only their weight and no other parameter. So we need to understand that health is multifactorial. Health is not about how much we weigh, but it's also about how deeply we sleep, how energetic we feel in the day, how often we exercise, what kind of cravings we get, and it's also about how smooth our periods are. What is our waist size, what is our hip size. So it is important that we assess on many data points and not just on one parameter of weight. So if you ask me what's the biggest mistake with weight loss, is that we are narrow-minded, and that other than weight, we are not looking at things that really matter to leading a healthy and a happy life. So we should track all of those things and check our weight not more than once every 3 months.
Okay, you should not check your weight.
Yeah.
That's the drill.
Yeah.
Okay, but people they just want to always measure their weight because they
Correct.
think कि उसी से उनको समझ में आएगा कि कितना
हाँ,
progress हो रही है, कितना
बिल्कुल
क्या.
बिल्कुल. आई थिंक आजकल हम लोग ऑब्सेस हो गए हैं विद ट्रैकिंग एवरीथिंग.
Yeah.
लोगों को खुद का वजन करना है, कितने स्टेप्स चले हैं वो काउंट करना है, कैसे सोए वो काउंट करना है, कितना कैलोरीज खाया वो काउंट करना है. तो ये सब गिनती में हमने जीना छोड़ दिया है. सो आई थिंक वी नीड टू स्टेप बैक अ लिटिल बिट एंड नो दैट बॉडी वेट इज एन इम्परफेक्ट मेजर ऑफ हेल्थ. तो इम्परफेक्ट मेजर को क्यों मेजर करना ना, वो मेजर करो जो कि मायने रखता है आपके सेहत के लिए. सो योर वेस्ट टू हिप रेशो, योर एक्सरसाइज फ्रीक्वेंसी, योर स्लीप, योर एनर्जी लेवल्स, योर पीरियड्स, इतने सारे तो डेटा पॉइंट्स है जो आपके सामने है. काउंट दोस एंड नॉट द नंबर ऑफ your kilos.
Yeah. And diet wise also people are no sugar, no maida, no this, no that. So what is happening? Like sugar,
दुखी
is
है
it
लोग.
really that bad?
No, it is not bad. See, sugar in a certain measure and proportion is absolutely fine. But I think what we have done is that instead of eating gajar halwa a week, we want to eat it every day, and we want like a sugar-free version of it. So we have to know that indulgences are for once in a while, and once in a while when we are doing them, we should do them fully loaded, sugar, maida, fat, whatever it is. Yeah, why not? अगर आप कुछ करने वाले हो, ऐसा केक खाने वाले हो, once a month खाने वाले हो, तो it is okay. अगर हर रोज खाने वाले हो, फिर आपने उसको मिलेट का भी बनाया और जैगरी का भी बनाया, लेकिन हर रोज आप एक्सेस कर रहे हो, तो that's not going to work. So common sense is about knowing के मिलेट का क्या बनता है, मैदे का क्या बनता है, एंड हाउ द होल बैलेंस नॉट जस्ट इन आवर हेल्थ बट इवन इन आवर लाइफ इज मेड बाय मेकिंग रूम फॉर एवरीथिंग. सो सब कुछ एक होलसम वे में होना चाहिए. शुगर भी आप खा ही सकते हो, बस उसको उसके साथ ऑप्से कोलाज मत पियो, जूसेस मत पियो, लेकिन अगर चाय या कॉफ़ी 1-2 दिन की पी ली, उसमें शुगर है, उसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है।
कोलास नहीं पीना है.
हाँ।
मतलब people they go for diet coke and not
Yes,
coke.
but
What's your
it's
take
the
on it?
same thing. I think you're just spending more money to get unhealthy. You know, that is all that having a diet coke would mean. So whether it is colas, whether it is energy drinks, अभी बहुत सारे caffeinated drinks आ गए हैं, or whether it's juices, you should be staying away from all of these
Juices
things.
also.
Yeah, yeah.
So is diet coke unhealthy
Yes.
equally?
Yeah, just as much as the regular coke.
And what about the viral DIY weight loss recipes that are trending online these days? Jeera water हो गया, मेथी दाना water हो गया, chia seed shots हो गया.
Correct.
So what is your take on it?
मेरे हिसाब से if your morning routine involves waking up and having a shot of anything or a seed of anything, you're getting it wrong. Yeah. Wake up, open your curtains, look out, have a fruit or nuts. Then if you want, have a chai or coffee and get on with your life.
हो गया.
Yeah.
You know, there is also this debate happening around Ozempic, for weight loss. Think that people should use, or what is really happening around?
Well, I think, using it for vanity, using it to look a certain way is, surely not the way you should be using any kind of a drug. बहुत कम cases में it could be actually useful, but in most of the other cases, what we have to recognize is that looking thin and being fit are not the same thing. Fitness comes in all shapes and sizes and weight. So it's important to bear that in mind.
What's the one advice that you would like to give to those who are, going for weight loss? एक advice अगर आपको देनी है लोगों को, तो what would that be?
कि खुद का वजन मत कीजिए, stand on your own 2 feet and see how light you're feeling.